and welcome to a Old Key West Deluxe Studio room tour. We spent a long day at the parks and just checked in to Old Key West and wanted to share the room with you. We're in room 3512. This is a refurbished room. It is beautifully decorated, nice and light and bright. I love the green on the walls, which is kind of hard to see in this light because it is late at night. We have two, appears to be queen beds, and a beautiful print here of Minnie on the beach. Looks like she's in Florida somewhere. A little nightstand, and underneath the beds you can see the beds are higher, and it's great because you can store your luggage right there underneath your bed. And those are just pillars to keep the bed up, but you can see all the way through the bed, and there's plenty of storage to put all of your luggage underneath the bed, which is nice in these smaller rooms. There is a balcony, which I am not going to go out on because I'm a little bit of a scaredy cat. Looks like there's water out there. We will take a look at that in the morning. Nice little patio. Cute little window treatments. And then we have a little seating area. Say hi!
Hi!
Okay. And we have a really cute little print here.
At the beach?
At the beach, yeah. And this is just a little seating area with two chairs and a table. And then there's a bit of room here. And then we have, there's all of our luggage and junk. And then we have a nice high dresser.
You got about junk.
Yeah. With a television, which I wish was a little bit bigger, but it's still good. And then a CD, DVD player with these drawers. And then as we go in here, this area is tiled and there is a nice little kitchenette. There are mugs and glasses, paper plates, utensils, a microwave, a little sink, icebox, stuff for coffee, a toaster, can opener, towel, and refrigerator, mini fridge. So there's paper towels and trash underneath there. And as we flip around, here's the closet. Nice big closet, extra bedding. There's a pack and play with a sheet, which is nice. Looks like a broom and a mop, a vacuum, an ironing board, a luggage rack, lots of hangers, an iron, and a safe. And then we go into the bathroom. There is a nice big full-length mirror right here, and then a nice tiled shower. This is all nice and new and very, very clean. And we have the cutout in here with the individually packaged toiletries. They are not the pumps. Nice shower head. I think that's just like a little window. Probably brings in light in the daylight. Artwork, toilet trash, and one vanity. I love this, I think it's quartz countertop, mirror, lights, and cubby. I do have to say one thing I don't like about this bathroom setup is that the toilet and the shower are not separated by the vanity, so really only one person can necessarily get ready at a time, because sometimes if someone's taking a hot shower, I don't want to get ready right next to them in the bathroom. But overall, this is a beautiful room. We did not get to see much of the grounds because it is dark, but we will take a look at it tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this room tour of Old Key West. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
There's no use in looking back. Gotta laugh or gotta live, 'cause I'm so over the